Namaskaram. In this session, we will discuss harmonic function and its properties. A function uxy is said to be harmonic if uxx plus uyy equal to 0. Uxx means second derivative of u with respect to x. For example, consider uxy equal to x square minus y square. Here, ux is equal to 2x. Uxx means derivative of ux with respect to x, that is 2. And uy is equal to minus 2y. Uyy is equal to minus 2. This implies uxx plus uyy equal to 0. So u satisfies this equation. So u is harmonic. A partial differential equation uxx plus uyy equal to 0 is called Laplace equation and denoted by del square u equal to 0. So we can say that harmonic function is the solution of Laplace equation. Okay. Laplace equation is one of the important PDE in physics. It occurs in heat conduction, gravitation, electrostatics, fluid flow, etc. And the theory of harmonic function is called potential theory. Next result, if f of z equal to u plus iv is analytic, then both u and v are harmonic. That means u and v satisfies Laplace equation. Okay, its proof is very simple. Our assumption is f of z equal to u plus iv is analytic. We know that if a function is analytic, then both satisfies CR equations. That is ux equal to vy and uy equal to minus vx. This is our equation number 1, this is our equation number 2. Next we differentiate this equation number 1 with respect to x and equation number 2 with respect to y. Then we get uxx equal to vyx, uyy is equal to minus vxy. Next we consider 3 plus 4. Left hand side become uxx plus uyy, right? What about the right hand side? We know that vxy is equal to vyx. Whatever be the order of differentiation, both are same. So these two are same but opposite in sign. So their sum becomes 0. So u is harmonic. Similarly, del square v equal to 0 is obtained by differentiating equation number 1 with respect to y and equation number 2 with respect to x and subtracting. Okay. So if f of z is equal to u plus iv is analytic, then both u and v are harmonic. If f of z equal to u plus iv is analytic, then v is called harmonic conjugate of u. If u is harmonic, then we can find unique harmonic conjugate v up to a constant. Okay, our assumption is f of z is u plus iv is analytic. And we know that u and v satisfies Cauchy-Riemann equations. Since u is given, we can find ux and uy. Using CR equations, we get vx and vy. By integrating vx and vy, we get harmonic conjugate vxy. Similarly, we can find u if v is given. That means we can find real part of an analytic function if imaginary part is given. So combining these two, we can find real or imaginary part of an analytic function up to a constant when other part is not, using CR equations. Show that u equal to x square minus y square minus y is harmonic and find harmonic conjugate of u. Ux equal to 2x, uxx equal to uy is equal to minus 2y minus 1, uyy equal to minus 2. So this implies uxx plus uyy equal to, so u is harmonic. Next we have to find harmonic conjugate of u. That means we have to find v such that u plus iv is analytic. So u and v satisfies Cauchy-Riemann equations. That means ux equal to vy and uy equal to minus vx. Ux and uy are non. So what about vy and vx? So vy is equal to ux, that is 2x. And similarly, vx is equal to minus uy, that is equal to minus of minus 2y minus 1, that is equal to 2y plus 1. Now we have two relations. First one is vy is equal to 2x and second one is vx is equal to 2y plus 1. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Next we integrate equation number 1 with respect to y. Then this implies Left side become integral vy dy, that is v. What about the right hand side? 2xy plus f plus an arbitrary constant, but now v is a function of xy, so arbitrary constant is a function of x. So v is equal to 2xy plus some h of x. Next we differentiate this equation with respect to x. This become vx is equal to 2y plus dh by dx. This is not partial derivative, this is our ordinary derivative because h is a function of x alone. This is our equation number 3. Then comparing 2 and 3, because 2 is vx equal to 2y minus 1 and 3 is vx is equal to 2y plus dh by dx. Comparing these two, we get dh by dx. What is dh by dx? Yes, that is equal to 1. Okay, now h is a function of x alone, so you simply integrate this equation with respect to x. So we get where c is an arbitrary constant. Substituting this h of x in this equation, we will get v. So this implies v equal to, what is our h of x? X plus c. So this is the harmonic conjugate of u, which is the analytic function corresponding to this u and v. So the corresponding analytic function f of z is equal to u plus iv, that is equal to, and this is equal to this is our z square. Here this term is I into minus y by I plus x, right? And what about 1 by I? 1 by I is minus I. 1 by I is minus I. So minus minus has become plus. So this is iy plus x. And this is our z. So this term is iz. So z square plus iz plus ic. So this is the analytic function corresponding to this u. Show that v equal to 2x plus 1 into y is harmonic and find u such that u plus iv is analytic. Okay, so given that v is equal to vx is equal to vxx equal to 0, vy is equal to 2x plus 1, vyy is equal to 0. So this implies, so v is harmonic. We have to find u such that u plus iv is analytic. So u and v satisfies Cauchy-Riemann equations. That means ux equal to vy and vy is equal to 2x plus 1. Second Cauchy-Riemann equation, uy equal to minus vx and vx is 2y, so this becomes minus 2y. Now we have two new equations, ux is equal to 2x plus 1 and uy is equal to minus 2y. Then first integrating this equation with respect to x, then we get plus a constant of integration. Here u is a function of xy and integration with respect to x, so constant of integration is function of y. Next we differentiate this equation with respect to y. So this term is 0, this term is also 0 because differentiation is with respect to y. This become dh by dy. This is our uy is minus 2y. Now uy equal to dh by dy. Comparing these two, we get dh by dy is equal to minus 2y. Again integrate this equation with respect to y. Minus 2 into y square by 2 plus c, where c is an arbitrary constant. So h is equal to, by substituting h is equal to minus y square plus c on this equation, we get u. So u equal to, so the corresponding analytic function u plus iv is equal to x square plus x minus y square plus c plus I into 2xy plus y. This is equal to, by comparing like this, so this is our z square plus this is z plus c. So this is the analytic function corresponding to this given v. Next problem, find the value of a so that u equal to ax square plus y square is harmonic. So first we are going to find uxx and uyy. ux is equal to 2ax and uxx is 2a. And similarly, uy equal to 2y, uyy equal to 2. And we have to find a such that u is harmonic. So uxx and uyy satisfies the equation uxx plus uyy equal to 0. So uxx is 2a, 2a equal to minus 2. This implies a equal to minus 1. So this function is harmonic only when a equal to minus 1. This is your homework. Thank you.